Hello friends, that the College of Teacher Education Tura Rangon, they have given their advertisement regarding the B.Ed 2-year course 2021 to 2023. They have given the advertisement. So let's see what they have given. They said that the admission form for 2 B.Ed 2 years course 2021 to 2023 batch, College of Teacher Education Tura Roncon. Online applications for outstations candidate will be available in the government website. Okay, this is the website they have given. This is the website. Okay, this is the website they have given. So that website. Okay, you have to that online application form. Online form. Okay, online forms should be available, or you have to search this address. Okay, from 19th, okay, August 2021. So you have from here you have to upload that online applications. Okay, and then they have said that correctly fill the form must be submitted to the email ID, and then so from here, okay, you have to upload the application form from this website. And then what you have to do, you have to do one thing. Okay, you have to correctly fill all these thing. Okay, I'll show you later the application form. Okay, you have to correctly fill all this thing. Okay, and then what you have to do, you have to send the things, the application forms here. This email ID you have to send. So what they've given, cte rontura@gmail.com. Okay, and what they have given that online application, online submission of forms can be done till 30 August. So till 30 August, that those who want to take the B.Ed course of 2 years, and they can do till 30 August. Okay, and they have given that an amount of 100 can be deposited to SBI ATM. So they have given the SBI. Okay, deposit can be deposited to SBI account number. This is the account numbers. Okay, not ATM. Okay, this is the account numbers they have given, and the IFSC code also they have given. So please see the account numbers. Okay, this is the account numbers. NO, that is not the account, that is the number. Okay, they have given account number. NO means number. Okay, so you have to put this one. Okay, 1094957561 4, and the IFSC code is this one, is SVIN 0000. Okay, 198. Okay, and then what you have to do, the receipts for the same can be uploaded along with the fill up form. Okay, you have to, one thing you have to do after you fill up the form from here. Okay, and then you have to do, you have to pay 100 rupees. Okay, to these account numbers and IFSC code, this one. Okay, and the receive along with the form, the form uploaded from here. So you have to send to this email ID. Okay, and then what they have given, the first 200 correctly filled applications will be accepted. Incomplete forms will be rejected automatically. So they will just accept only 200 seat. Okay, 200 seat, because there is only 50 seat. That is why the first 200 correctly fill, those who fill correctly, that one is only accepted. Incomplete forms will be rejected. Okay, that incomplete form, they will reject it automatically. So note, they have given admission criteria: 45% for ST, SC, OBC. They just need 45% for graduation marks, and 50% for general, and for 50% for master degree holder. Okay, ST, SC, OBC. 55% for master degree holder general. Those who are generals, they need that master degree 55%, but for that one is for 45% and 50%. Okay, let's see the that applications. How is the applications? Okay, so this is the application form. Okay, I have downloaded from that website, maceducation.gov.in. Okay, that College of Teacher Education Rongkhong Tura. You need your photograph here. Okay, And then the applications for, okay, your name of the applicants, your name, years, okay, block letters, must be block letters, you fill all this thing in block letter, okay. And then father name, mother name, permanent address, okay, you have to fill it, okay, properly. Permanent address, village, post office, district, state, pin code, okay, pin numbers, mobile numbers, WhatsApp number, okay. You have to give the WhatsApp numbers, not the other numbers. Remember one thing, okay, otherwise your application will be rejected automatically. And then the alternate mobile numbers, you have to put your alternate mobile numbers, okay. And then email ID, your email ID is, that must be correct. Just remember one thing, okay, your mobile number, WhatsApp mobile numbers, and then alternate mobile numbers, and then the email ID, okay, should be correct one, okay. You must access this thing, okay, these three thing, okay, otherwise your application will be rejected automatically. They have given the earlier that notice, okay. And local postal address in full, you have to give your local postal address in full, okay. Occupation of the candidates, your occupations, your students or your servicemen, okay, whatever you are, you have to give here. Marital status, married or unmarried, okay, you have to give here. And then so if you belong to ST, HC, OBC, you have to put here ST, HC, OBC or general, okay, you have to put here. And then etc they have given, that means general also, okay. If you're general, you can put here, okay, I am general. Like this, date of birth, your date of birth, other numbers, okay, must be other numbers, you have to put here, okay. You have to fill all these things, okay. Your matriculations, roll, year of passing with roll numbers, first write the year of passing 2000, suppose 2000, matriculation 2012, and then your roll numbers, okay. And person of marks, you have to just put your person of marks, name of the name of name of the subject offered in degree and PG levels. So whatever you have in matriculation, you just write here, okay. And just they have given us that metric and that degree and PG levels, okay, you have to write also that one also, okay. And then SSLC, you have to put here your subject also, okay, mark, roll numbers, BSc or BA, BCom, you have to write here, and MA, MSc, MCom, you have to write here, and the subjects, name of the subjects, you have to write here the name of the subjects, or any others degree, okay, you have to write. You have extra degree, you can write in this line, okay. And then any stream, science or art stream, you have to write. You are from science stream, then science, arts. And then because this college, this city is under Nehru University, so they have given that any candidates who already enrolled in that Nehru University, uh, if they already enrolled in Nehru University, then that means that they have that uh, registration numbers, okay. And then if you have the registration number, you have to put years and that year of registration, okay, when you did that one. And then date, and then signature of the candidates, you have to write your signature, okay, not your that that full name, okay. If you have if you used to give that your full name as your signature, then you can put years, okay. And then your signature you can put years, don't worry, okay. Candidates are required to furnish attested copies of all the educational certificates, okay. Okay, and then registration card, birth certificates, okay. And then SC/ST certificate, EFIC, PAN card, and Aadhaar card. So all your documents you have to be attested, okay. Along with that, you have to submit, okay. You have to submit, you have to scan that copy, and then you have to, what you have to do, you have to send that email, cte rontura@gmail.com, okay. and then what you have to do, they will feel that one is for office use, no need to do anything. And then they have given us that this is the syllabus, okay. I'll just show a little bit. This is the syllabus. This for first semester, this for second semester, this for third semester, this for fourth semester, okay. And then the, okay, they have given us the last date for submissions of the fill up of the form, okay. Incomplete or rejected. So this is the thing, okay. And then what they have given us in the earlier notice, okay, that till up to I'll just show you. Okay, so till up to, okay, till up to when, the online submission of forms till up to 30 August. Okay, 30th August, you have to furnish all this thing. First, you make one thing. Okay, you just pay 100 rupees to this account numbers. Okay, IFC code this one, and then that fill up that form. Okay, all this thing, fill up that form. Okay, and then all your what they have given, that your educational certificates. Okay, PAN card, Aadhaar card. Okay, all these things, you just attested it, and then you first do one thing. Okay, your application in the front page, and then all your document. Okay, uh, and then what you have to do, that this 100 rupees, okay, received. Okay, all this thing, you make a one PDF file. Okay, and then send it to this one, ctrontura@gmail.com. Done. Okay, so thank you for watching. So if you have any problems, then you can comment me. Okay, so bye bye.